It's your girl Ray Double J. Hey, welcome back to my video, y'all. So today I want to talk about what I eat in a day. So for the past 2 weeks, I made a little diet change, and yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Because it's been working for me. So yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So first, I start by the day by having a smoothie. Clip will be here of me making a smoothie. Yeah, so pretty much in the smoothie, I will add, if I'm at work, I will add protein, fruits. My go-to fruit is strawberry banana, and then I'll do some ice, blend that up, and then that'll be my smoothie. As you know, protein fills you up, so that's why I always put protein in my smoothies. So I drink my smoothie, and then right after I drink that smoothie, I will have a lot of water. Okay, and then that keeps me full for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I have my meal. I've only been doing 1 meal a day, so yeah, my meal, it normally consists of 1 cup of whatever meat of my choice, and then 2 cups of vegetables. And then for dinner, I will have another smoothie for dinner. Yeah, I've been drinking different types of smoothies. Either I will make the smoothie, or either what's that brand, the smoothie that I normally get from the store? I think it's called Naked. I'll drink one of those, like a cup of that smoothie, or either I'll get the pre-made smoothies that my coworker bought at work. So out of those are the 3 types of smoothies that I've been drinking. I normally switch it up all the time depending on if I'm at work or if I'm at home. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. That's what worked for me. That's what's been working for me for the past 2 weeks, and within 2 weeks, I am 10 pounds down. Starting this week, I am going to start tracking my weight loss. So my next video, what I eat in a day update, I'll be inserting those clips. Yeah, I'm a little nervous to insert those clips, but I think it'll help. It'll inspire people. So yeah, we're going to insert those clips next time. Today I did go to the gym. And the first time for a long time. Okay, I did go to the gym. I went to Planet Fitness. that was exciting. That was really exciting. I might share my a workout routine or two with you guys. Yeah, I might do that. Great workout. Now I am leaving. But I'll go into more detail of me actually recording like the workout. Yeah, I'll do that next time. Yeah, I hope you guys love the video, and make sure you like, comment, and share. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and share. Please make sure you like, comment, and share. All right, I'll be back. Talk to you guys soon.